systems breathe aligned. Pressure builds behind the glass, every second synchronized. We draw borders in the dark, measure fear in broken sparks. Every move is calculated, nothing random, nothing wasted. Hold it steady, hold the frame, keep the fire in its cage. This is controlled chaos, fire in a closed hand, breaking but unbroken. We stand exactly where we planned. Controlled chaos, noise obeys command. The world shakes for a moment, then falls back into our hands. Signals crossing in the night, every risk is calculated twice. We don't run, we don't react, we bend the future on its track. Hold the center, hold the line, every flaw is redesigned. This is controlled chaos, fire in a closed hand, breaking but unbroken. We stand exactly where we planned. Controlled chaos, noise obeys command. The world shakes for a moment, then falls back into our We don't stop the storm, we give it shape. Controlled chaos, perfectly misaligned. Every crack becomes a weapon, every second redefined. Controlled chaos, hear the system breathe, order born from tension. This is how we